Guys, in this video I'm going to show you how to use MEXC exchange to trade future. For those of you that don't know how to trade, like I said, it's the same thing with Bybit with other exchange, but let me just show you. So you come to future trading. If you want to do normal trading, that you want to buy coin and keep, this is the trade. But if you want to trade futures trading, you click on that future. Like I said, if you want to assume that you want to trade any coin, it's just the same thing with what I explained in Bybit. It's the same thing. So the first thing, choose the coin that you want to trade. You understand? Choose the coin that you want to trade. Let me say I want to trade. You click on that USDT. Let me say I want to trade this coin. It's already bring it out. Let me say I want to trade this coin, and let me say I want to trade this. Then leverage, you can see that it's on isolated. Make sure that it's on isolated. So I want to buy. So I'm going to reduce my leverage to 10s. Then market order, I want to buy. I want them to put me in the trade immediately, so I'm going to put it on buy. If it's limit order, you're going to put limit order. Then you are going to put the price that you want to buy. But for me, I want to join the trade immediately. So you can see I have $3 here. So if you check at the down, you will see mass long and margin. You know, in Bybit, it is cost that you will see it there. That shows the amount that you want to use to take trade. But here it is called margin. You can see margin. You can see that it's moving $1, $2, $3. You understand? I have $3 in my balance, but I don't want to use that $3. So I only want to use, let's say, 1.2 to trade this. You can see margin 1.2. Then I'm going to put my stop loss. Like I said, TP. You understand? Just click on, once you mark that box, that TP/SL, click on advance. Then you put your SL. Let's say that because I want to long, assuming that I want to sell, I'll click on these shorts, but I want to long. SL is very important. Let's say 1.411. Once you see SL, that means stop loss. So you can see out of that 1.2 that I want to use to open trade, I just want to lose 0.24. That is the amount I will be comfortable to lose. Then I'll click on done. Then I'll click on confirm. Then I will click on open long. That is all. And I'm automatic in the trade. You can see. So if I'm in profit, you can see I'm now in profit 0.005. And if I'm in loss, you can see I'm in loss 0. So this is how you'll be seeing your profit and loss. You understand? You can also you can redo it. Just click on this pencil. You can put your stop loss, TP, where you want to take profit. Let's say that the take profit is, 1.4701. Everything will be there. You understand? So what you'll be making, you will see it at the down. So if price gets to this 1.77, the profit I'll be making is $0.28. I hope you understand. So that's the profit I'll be making. So everything will be there. Then you click on done, you click on confirm. So once the price got there, it will take my profit and close. You understand? And once you get to my SL, which is stop loss, it will close with that loss that I'm comfortable to lose. So that is how it is. So it's the same process. You can see I only open the trade with 1.2 now. You can see it here. Then I still have 1.7 in my balance. So it's very simple. It's very simple to trade. Just apply proper risk management. Know how much you want to risk per trade. If you have $5, you can be open each trade with $2. Then you should be, your SL should be like risking 0.5 in that $2 that you use to open the trade. So if you are making profits of $1 or $5, so it's also part of it. You can see now this trade is going against me, I'm losing. So that's how it is. So that's how the trade goes. Just note, trading is risky. You can lose money and you can make profits. Just have that in mind, that you will lose money. So that's just it. Make sure that you follow, like, and comment. So anyway, if you don't understand, let me know in the comment section. Probably I will still make another video explain, but I believe everybody will understand this. So you can do it any exchange you can do it. So that is it. You can see I'm not in lose. Assuming that I'm making profits now, you'll be seeing it. I'm in lose now, you'll be seeing it. So that's just it.